A video has surfaced online in which a mother of three was seen leading her three children to steal from an unsuspecting lady. In the despicable video, the oldest child of the three was seen being directed by their mother to hurry and discreetly snatch the bag from underneath the table where the victim was seated. The shocking video has been met with sadness and outrage at the mother for leading their children into crime at that early age, while others cursed our leaders for ruining our country to the extent where a mother will have to steal to feed her children. What do you think about the video, and do you agree that they have been doing it for a while now?